Welcome back to the channel. We are looking at the stock price of Clever Leaves Holdings Inc. Today the stock is down $4, 4.20%, and it is trading at $1.81. Clever Leaves Holdings trades in cannabis, medical cannabis, all across the United States. So if you look over the past 5 days, the stock has been in a steady decline. It is very difficult to tell exactly what is going on, but if you look at the monthly, you see that the stock is actually up. It began the month of March at about $1, and right now we are sitting at $1.81. At a certain point, the stock was up around the 25th of March. It went up to about $3.80, thereabouts, not exactly, it may be a bit higher. And now we are seeing this steady drop, which is essentially halving what the stock was just a couple of weeks ago. Now, there's a joint resolution in the US Congress, Joint Resolution 539, I believe, of 2022. And what that does is it decriminalizes and also makes provision to compensate people who were adversely affected during the war on drugs. So if you have cannabis, medical cannabis, that is decriminalized and depenalized here in the United States, that is something that is very, very huge. And Clever Leaves Holdings is already a front runner. It's already in place. It has the stores, it has the logistics, and it knows how to package this medical marijuana for distribution to the retail user. Also, something that is important is that Clever Leaves Holdings has, because of House Resolution 539 of 2022, they are making provision to start shipping cannabis flowers for medical purposes from Colombia. So that's very important. So far, they've announced that they're putting in place the necessary logistics that will make this become a reality. So the logistics would be like having a supply chain in Colombia, people who will supply the cannabis flowers, people, warehouses where they will store these flowers. If they have final conditioning that they need to do in Colombia, where labor might be cheaper, they might do it there, putting in place supervisors who make sure the process meets the standards set by Clever Leaves, and of course, signing contracts with vessels that will transport these cannabis leaves to the United States for onward sale. So that, in my mind, is something that's very significant and important. But the decriminalizing of possession, use, distribution of cannabis has still not gone through the entire process. It's still within the legislative process. Right now, both houses, both the Senate and the Congress, have agreed that in principle this is something they are willing to take up, and they will look at that. After that, you still have votes that have to go through, and then you still have the bill has to be forwarded to the president, who will sign it, and then it becomes law. So there are still quite a few hurdles for the bill, 539 of 2022 to go through, and then becomes law. But already Clever Leaves Holdings, you can tell they are putting in place the infrastructure to hit the ground running when that becomes reality. So that's what I had to share with you guys. Again, cannabis stocks are very volatile. So as you see it trending down, you might wake up tomorrow and it's up 100%. That's how volatile these stocks are. So Just be aware, and if you think this is something you want to invest in, now is the time to do your homework. Now is the time to do your due diligence and throw in some money while nobody is talking about the company. Thanks for joining me, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. That helps me a lot, encourages me to keep making these videos, catching these little nuggets and sharing them with you. I will greatly appreciate if you hit the thumbs up below, and also hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, but it goes a long way towards encouraging me and helping me out. Thank you.